Hi Julie, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet up in Sandpoint. This is the 2014 Tacoma that you had questions about. I am going to shoot the video, go around the exterior and the interior of the vehicle and just show you condition. Starting with the front, the hood and front bumper are in excellent shape. No scratches, no dents, no dings. There's a nice bug guard added on that will prevent all those rock chips on the hood. Passenger side fender is in great shape, no scratches, no dents, no dings along the door. Looks like there are some small scratches on that. I don't know if you can see that there, but very, very minor. Coming along the bed, really nice shape. No dents or dings in the bed either. Wheels are in good shape. These are factory wheels. They're just black. This is the passenger front tire. All the tires are in really good condition as far as tread. See those, and I'll show you the backs as well. The rail caps are in good shape. Doesn't look like there was any heavy loading on these or any large items scratching up the bed rails. There's the tread on the rear tires. It does have mud flaps on the front and back. Tailgate's in good shape. Rear bumper does have a little bump right there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to be able to pull that out. Tow package. Coming along the driver's side, the bed again is in really good shape. Driver door does have a small scratch right there. Silver's a good color. It's really hard to pick out any cosmetic defects as far as small scratches, little dings and things like that, but this truck, being a 2014 with only 11,000 miles on it, it's in very nice shape, well taken care of. Interior is very clean, no holes in the cloth, no stains, no funny smells, anything like that. No scratches on any of this plastic. Steering wheel's good, doesn't have any chunks missing. Dash is also very nice. I'll show you the back here. So these kind of have the jump seats. You can see that there is a storage compartment underneath them when you can fold them up. And this will open. Makes it a little easier to get in. We'll clarify this is four-wheel drive. There's the operation there. On the inside of the bed too, it looks like there is a cover in here, kind of a plastic lining, which makes it nice. Also, I noticed there's WeatherTech mats, which will really conserve the carpet. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call, 208-263-2138. Thanks for watching.